Hi, GTO. That's GTO. He's my little red-headed boy. He's all white with your little red head. And then we have GMC, or Jimmy. And that's him. And then right here at my feet, this is our puppy. We're either going to keep one of these two. And this is, we call him Mouse. His actual name is Gremlin, but we call him Mouse. Because he kind of got a mouse figure on the side of his, like Mickey Mouse when he was a baby. And so this is Jimmy. And then GTO, or Goat. Goat. Mouse. And there they are. There's a goat. Wait a minute. Just wait a minute. Okay. And that's them.
Sorry.
Yeah, I'm trying to take a video. Oh, now I'm getting another video. Oh, stop.